This is our little female, little
Playful.
white and sable female. She's got some really dark tinges around her back spot, or the brown areas on her back. I've got some really dark tinges on them. She's beautiful. Beautiful little puppy. Black on that tail right there. We just got their toenails trimmed, so again, they were like little bob wires. First time of trimming their toenails. Little Sweetness, little Miss Sweetness. All of these puppies are just playful and loving Grandpa.
Give me some children. Don't you too precious.
Loving on Grandpa.
Our precious. Get there.
Mm-hmm. We've got these big mats out here where we can get them out so they can all play and stuff out here.